Have you ever wanted to edit your home videos but just thought it was too hard? Today I'm going to show you that it's not as hard as it looks if you use Windows Movie Maker. To make the video your own, I'll teach you how to edit the videos, add special effects, and narrate them. First of all, I'll teach you the different ways you can edit your videos. Right now in my taskbar, I have 3 short clips that I'm going to use. They're titled Soccer Ball, Chickens, and Swing. And first you can edit your videos by cutting them to the appropriate time length, or if you made a blooper and you want to take it out. So I'm going to start with the swing because I made a blooper. And you move the blue timeline to wherever you want to stop it or start it. And then to cut it, you just simply click on the end of it and drag it in to the time where you want it to start, and it cuts it for you. Another way you can edit the videos is by splitting if you want to add a special effect into the middle of the clip. So I'm going to use this soccer ball one for that, and I'm going to simply drag it onto there. And then if I want to split it, I'm going to take the blue timeline again and drag it into the middle where I want it to split, and I'm going to go to the top and press clip and then split, or use the shortcut Control L, and then it splits it into 2 different ones. And then from there I could go to the video transitions or video effects to change it. Another way you can edit it is by specially arranging your videos if you recorded them differently. So I'm going to add the chickens one, but instead of putting it at the end, I'm going to drag it to the middle between the other 2. And then add this one to the end. So now that I have edited those, there's other ways you can do it to spice up your videos by adding special effects. So there are several video effects that you can choose from, such as grayscale, fade in, blur, and the list goes on. And so to the last one, which is my swing, I think I'm going to add this video effect for it to fade in. So I'm just going to drag it right in front of it, and then it is added onto it. So we're going to play it from there. And see how it faded in from black? There's also a lot of video transitions you can add. Transitions are the effects that lead from one clip into the next, like bars, circles, or eyes. So the video transitions, I'm going to use the heart one, and I'm going to add that at the very beginning. So I'm just going to drag it to it. Now that I've added that, you can also add titles and credits to the beginning or end. So you want to go to Tools and go to Titles and Credits, and I'm going to add a title at the beginning. So I'm going to call this Video Clips for Oral Comm. You can change the title animation. So I'm going to use the typewriter one, but there's a list full of it for the titles, and then there's different ones for the credit. And then you can change the text font and color. So I'm going to change the color to red, and I'm going to change the background to black. And then you can change the font, and I'm going to do that. And then all you have to do is press done, add title to movie, and it'll add it to the very beginning for you. And so I'm going to finish it by adding my own little credits one that I made. And I just simply click on the video and just add it to the end because that's where I want it. And now another way you can edit is by narrating the video, which is probably the easiest and the most fun. If you have a microphone, that is. And so the first thing is you need to decide where you want to start. So I'm just going to do mine for the very last clip. And I want to go up to Tools and press Narrate Timeline. And then this page will come up, and all you have to do is simply press start narration and talk, and then you press stop and you're done. So I'm going to do mine. The end. Alright, now it saves it for me automatically, so all I have to decide is where to put it, and then put in a name and press save, and it will add it directly to the end for me. So I'm going to press done, and then we're going to show the final product. How are you going to do it?
Move along, I'll wash the car.
The end. So, I taught you the easy ways that you can edit your videos by cutting, splitting, adding effects, transitions, titles, credits, and narrating your films. So start editing.